Good afternoon, sir. This is my second video. Perform SQL injection 10 points on Alto Romeo or local system. Navigate the page, enter credential, capture request with verb suit, modify parameter using following SQL injection payload. Proceed tayo. Yan, nandito na po tayo. User. Tapos user password. Tapos palitan lang natin ng yan. Tapos forward. Yun. Na-access na natin yung bank, yung dashboard nila. Check natin. Forward. Tapos yan. Yan po. Naka-login na tayo. Tapos nasa ano na tayo. Yan lang po yung sa SQL injection. Yan po. Then na-bypass po yung authentication dahil sa code na to. Discuss natin. Yan po. SQL injection is one of the most severe and commonly exploited web security vulnerabilities. It allows attacker to manipulate a website database by injecting malicious SQL queries. If successful, and SQL injection attack can lead to severe consequences, including data breaches, financial losses, and reputational damage. Understanding the potential risks associated with SQL injection is crucial for organization to implement effective security measures. Yun po. Potential risk ng SQL injection: unauthorized access, data theft, data manipulation, website defacement, and service disruptions, escalation of attack, malware distribution, financial loss, damage to reputation, and customer trust. Yun po. That's all. Thank you, sir.